Salam everyone, hello and welcome. This is Aya. In today's video, I'm going to show you this beautiful die, and this is called Always Love to Read. So this is how it looks like, and this is the matching stamp, and it has a one heart, for layering, and the letters for word read. So I'm going to use this die. Along with that, I have two books here, and I don't want to be honest, I want to do like a matching bookmark for my book. This is the latest book I bought, as everything is figured out by Marie Forleo. So the paper I'm going to use, this collection is a summary as you see, but because I want to see something that matches her outfit. Yes. And for this one, maybe you can choose the greenery. We'll see. So first, let me go and die cut, and I will come back to you. Okay, everyone, I am back. I'm sorry. Outside there is, what do you call it? Cleaning something, fixing something. I don't know. Okay, so let me show you the bookmark. Amazing. I'm gonna mix and match, of course, and all the word read. So I have to glue the letter with the shadow. Also here I have my laminator. It's not ready yet because it's not hot. I'm going to laminate them, and first let me just glue the word read, and I will be back. So now after I stick word read, so now my lamination machine is ready. So I have here my tag. So the trick here that there is an opening, and you don't want to close the opening, and yeah. So the thing is, I have here a wax paper, and I'm going to trace this hard. I will try to protect it, and not too laminated, so I can have the opening. And also I'm gonna show you, okay, let me do like this, another way. So I will cut, let's say, around it, like so. And I have my lamination sheets. It's easy to clean it, when you use rubbing alcohol. Put it inside. I will not, I don't want to cover, the heart. And this, I will cut it and cut this small triangle. And if you don't want to do this all hassle, I'm gonna show you another way. Okay, so now let's cut. And I will cover my heart with the wax paper. And let's see. Okay, so I will try another way, which is I'm gonna eliminate everything You put it here. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, I'll try this too. Ah, it works. Let me just cut around it. Okay, I have another one. Perfect. And for my heart, I'm going to use foam tape. You know, I love dimensions. Okay, then I will make it cold. I have here my foam squares. Foam squares. Foam circles. This is so cute. Look. So with my X-Acto knife, okay, so now it's open. Last thing, if you don't want to put the heart, so you will have the advantage to see the full bookmark. For example, it will be like this. It will be like this. But if you're gonna put your book, if you're gonna put the heart, it will be difficult. Yeah, because it needs a hatch, and the heart will be in this side, so it will be that side. It's falling because this part is laminated and this part is not. So the best thing is you can laminate everything so to be sturdy. So we have 3 amazing bookmarks. They are really, this is really a very amazing gift, even for little children. So even I can, print my daughter's picture and I put it here. And we take, of course, the size of the heart and put it here, or I can just stamp, the coordinating stamps, or the stamp that comes with it called Always Love to Read. So we have Always Love to Read, Read, Relax, and Unwind. I read past my bedtime. Sorry, my night is all booked. I really love this sentence. So yeah, let me show you the other one that I made. Or you can make it vintage style. So here I added a bow, and here the heart, and I stamped a sentiment. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.